Hello, my name is Daryl Stafford, President and CEO of Catalysis Additive Tooling.
And my name is Rick Shipko. I'm the Director of Business Development at Catalysis Additive Tooling.
So Rick and I started this company about 2 years ago, and we've had a very lengthy discussion, debate about what's more important, time or money. They're both important to a company. My background is 31 years engineering, all about product development, and it's about time. Time to market, reducing the time to market, multiple design iterations. That's how you improve your product. That's how you optimize your design. That's more important than anything than cost.
Cost is even more important. The company has to be profitable. Based on 29 years of automotive experience and background, cost reduction themes were a constant. So we have to look at cost. Cost is an important factor, and the company has to be profitable. And throughout the years, with cost down themes, cost down opportunities, we were always looking to try to drive costs down. So with that regard, I'd have to respectfully disagree.
So we'll continue this discussion, Rick and I, every day probably, but here's what we have to offer. This is what we developed over the last 2 years. We call it the FX tool. It's for vacuum forming, and what it is we manufactured this tool and vacuum formed these parts in 5 days. And this tool is for low volume prototype or even higher volumes, medium volumes, 1,000, 2,000 parts. And you can see it's kind of intricate the way these flames are manufactured on here, so you'd have to CNC, EDM this or something on a tool. And of course, Ren board, you can get a certain amount of parts and then it will start to delaminate. So this doesn't delaminate. And so that's what we have to offer. And I think what this offers the customer, Rick, is we get a time reduction to get the parts and also a cost reduction. So you're happy and I'm happy.
So just to frame this, understand this solution, this can be provided in a short amount of time, condensed lead time on tooling development, and then also at a low-cost solution as well. So it's a win-win for both engineering and purchasing.
So you probably realize by now, Rick and I aren't actors, we never have been, but I hope you enjoyed this video, a little bit of education of how we do our vacuum forming. We do other core competencies in plastic injection, foaming tooling, and composite manufacturing tooling.
And as Daryl said, we're not actors, but we really truly are 31 years engineering and 29 years of purchasing, and provide that background in our company, Catalysis Additive Manufacturing Tooling. In addition, what we do provide is everything from engineering services, from tooling design, through tooling build, through prototype parts and mass production parts delivery. So we're the complete solution, complete through engineering, tooling build, and parts manufacturing. So if you like what you see, we encourage you to visit our website at catalysis3d.com. On our website, you'll see a lot of videos on some of our parts and tools that we built, as well as some of the services we provide as well.